Hello class, this is Abel Mabra coming to you from home, working on the first week's lab assignment. Um, Today is May 13th, 2018, and again, my name is Abel Mabra, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how to label drawings or images from a histology point of view on a microcell from the endocrine system. These glands that we're going to overview today simply are the slides from instruction we went over during our course this week. The adrenal gland, the pancreas, ovary, testes, and adrenal glands. This week, I wanted to go through and show you how I use Word Doc to title and label my images. I'm going to transfer you over to my laptop where I am currently displaying my Word document. As you can see here, I have my title inserted text into the text box. So first what I do is I create a text box. Once I click home here or insert, I can use the text box drop down, draw a text box, and use that text box anywhere on this document. I created 3 text boxes, typed in my title of that cell, structure or cell location that I was targeting. As you see here, the acidophil cell, basophil, and the nucleus of the pituitary. What I also did is I right-clicked and used styles and created a more bolder look of the title so that the text stood out in the diagram. Which I followed the same steps for the next gland. Text box, enter the text box with the text information and styles. How you use your pointer or shapes, I use the line item here to point and draw to the location of the image slide. This helps pretty define to the location of the cell that we're trying to point out. Like here in the thyroid gland, you can see I can simply point out the colloid and the follicular epithelial cells directly from that line item. The difference here on the adrenal gland in labeling this slide is I used a circle with no fill to capture an area of the slide in addition to the 3 areas titled there: the zona reticular, the zona fasciculata, and the zona glomerulosa. And I use the brackets to identify that area of that cell as well. And I use that for my insert and shapes and brackets here to pull in that section of this cell. So what I also did is convert this Word doc into a PDF, which provides a better quality view of the slideshow. So the histology here, you can see from my title and the text boxes are clearly labeled and identifying the key area in the slide. In order to create that as a PDF, when my final product is done with the Word doc, all I would do is File, Save As, and I save this file as a PDF, which I already done, so I'm not going to do that again, or else I'll just get a duplicate alert. So that concludes my presentation on labeling and titling electronically through a document for this week. Thank you for being with me. Thank you all from home, and if you have any questions, please leave me an email to contact you back. Bye. Thank you.